Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys I'll be showing you how to change price on Fresha. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Fresha application. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Fresha if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom we have 5 tabs. We have the calendar tab, we have the sales tab. When you click on the plus button, you'll have the add appointment, group appointment, block time, sale, and quick payment. We have the client list, and in the bottom right corner, we have your workspace. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change prices on Fresha. So first of all, you need to go in the main menu, and here you need to go and find your catalog, so of your appointments and everything. So you can do it on, of course, when you go to the workspace here in the bottom right corner, click on catalog. Then select the service or product whose price you want to change. So you have the services menu here where you have all of your services. And then when you want to go and change the price, you just need to go and click here on these 3 dots, click edit. And here you can then go and edit everything about this category. But if you want to click on the, for instance, haircut, click on it, click edit. And here you can go and change the price and everything, as you can see here. So guys, then just click save and that will be that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.